Welcome to another great product demonstration. Today I'll be demonstrating for you how easy it is to communicate with your drivers while they're behind the wheel. And this will be by the means of using our ZenduCam heavy duty dash cam installed into that vehicle. With that, let's get started. Okay, so one of the first things that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and select our vehicle from our list of vehicles. For now, we're going to go ahead and select, let's see here, we're going to go ahead and select this vehicle right here, okay? So let's click on that vehicle. One of the next things that we're going to see a little bit of info on that vehicle. First of all, we're going to see that this vehicle is here. Most likely it's parked. Many times you're going to catch the drivers on the road, but this time we're going to catch a driver while he's partly doing a standby. So let's go ahead and communicate with him. We're going to go ahead and see a little bit about what it looks like utilizing our dash cam. So let's do a live view just to see. Okay, so we got the driver here, so let's communicate with him. He's actually doing standby. So we're going to initiate the call. As you can see in this little part right here, the call is being initialized. Hello, Julio. Can you hear me? Okay, great, Julio. Well, Julio, one of the things that I'm doing, I'm actually demonstrating how easy it is to communicate with the drivers while they are out on the field. Thank you for picking up the line. I just simply want to show our viewers how easy it is to communicate with you as a driver when you're in the field. Well, Julio, I don't want to take away from your time. I want to wish you a good day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, Julio.
Okay, thank you.
The driver is on his way, so that's all there is to it. You choose your driver and you communicate with them utilizing our ZenduCam installed in their vehicle. Again, I hope you like this, and I'll see you on the next one.